How to create Lottie animations using Lottie Creator AI. Open your web browser and go to the Lottie Creator website. Sign in to your Lottie Files account. Once the editor opens, you'll see a blank canvas with the animation tools. Click Explore on the left to add ready-made assets, or click Upload to import your own SVG, image, or Lottie file. You can also use the drawing and shape tools from the top toolbar to create your own design. Select the object or asset you want to animate. Click the Animate button at the top of the screen. Choose an animation effect such as move, scale, rotate, fade, or another available option. Use the timeline at the bottom to adjust the animation duration, keyframes, and timing. Click the Play button to preview your animation. Make any final adjustments until you're happy with the result. Click Export in the top right corner and choose the Lottie JSON format or another available export option. Wait for the export to finish, then save the animation to your computer. That's it. You've successfully created a Lottie animation using Lottie Creator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and tech guides.